Hello Odoo, I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we are going to see the Odoo OCA app named as Web Responsive. So this app is presented by OCA, which is Odoo Community Association, which is launching open source apps useful for the Odoo. So this app Web Responsive we can download from the official OCA store here in the different version, and from the Odoo App Store we can find this app as this Web Responsive. So this application is useful for the responsive layout. So there are some lot of like limitations of Odoo community version. So for that this application is built. So this is like it provides a responsive layout. So it is very useful for the client, like useful for like mobile screen, tablet, desktop. So it is based on the device, it fit the screens. And same like enterprise, we can see the apps like currently it coming here, but in enterprise it will come like this. If we go step by step here, then this kind of navigation like full screen menus, and here search bar also we can search the apps, and any like menu we can go to navigation bar. And second one is the header sticky, so it will stick on this size whenever we scroll down. And another is on form view also, this menus in header will stay there. And then the checkboxes will bigger in the list view, and you can see the mobile screen how it looks, right? So we don't need like any external mobile application to develop if you want like accurate result. So this app will fulfill all your most of the mobile screen related layout in web version, right, in mobile browser. And this one like it enhanced chatter in the form view. When we sending the message, then it highlight this compose box with different colors. And also it provide shortcut keys. When you just press the alter, then you can see this alter plus this different words, characters. And then when you like type anything, then it automatically move like cursor to specific menu. Like if you type cell, then it automatically go to cells, and you just need to click enter button and it will navigate. And then the in the form view, if you have any attachment or anything in big screen, then if you click on attachment, then open its sidebar, right? So this kind of lot of features. So we will see one by one. So I'm going to install this. Now you can see this is installed. If I click here, you can see now very beautiful layout of this home screen. If I search sales, you can see it list out this kind of main sales application and sub menus, and automatically focus is one sales main application. If I just click on enter button, then I will navigate to the sales. And here you can see big check boxes, which is very useful. And if I click here, and if I see here, let's say if I open any sales order here, if I see here something, let's say if I just scroll down, then you can see this header here, it will not move, right? And here if I click send message, then you can see beautiful compose screen. And if we have attachments, let's say I have attachments here, and here as big screen. So this sidebar for the chatter. So if I click here, then you can see it automatically preview in the sidebar, so this is also good feature. And then if we go here, let's say in the list view, and if I scroll up down, then you can see this navigation bar here, the it will stick here. And then if I go to the mobile version, let's say, you can see how it looks on mobile version, same as like enterprise and mobile oriented. You can see, like if I click here, then I can see the other menus also. Let's say let's say if I click here, if I go to sales, this is coming, you see. If I go to here, and you can see this Kanban view type products. If I want to add these products, you can see save and close, right? Save. So this is how it looks very beautiful on mobile side, right? So I hope this video will helpful to you. It will improve your Odoo experience. Thank you very much.